To pay with a Wise digital card, you first need to create a Wise account and order a digital card. Start by going to the Wise website or mobile app and signing up for an account. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your account by providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. Once your account is set up, navigate to the digital card section and order a new card. You can choose from various currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Wait for your digital card to be activated, which usually takes a few minutes. To add funds to your digital card, go to the Wise website or mobile app and click on the Add Funds option. You can add funds using a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Enter the amount you want to add and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. To pay with your Wise digital card, go to the online store or website where you want to make a purchase. Select the digital card as your payment method and enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can find these details in your Wise account or mobile app. When making a purchase, make sure to check the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Wise offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, but it is still important to review the details before completing the transaction. If you encounter any issues or have questions, you can contact Wise customer support for assistance. To keep your digital card secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Wise. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently pay with your Wise digital card.